Hi everyone, Susan Elias here. Today we're going to show you how to thread the Juki industrial sewing machine. Frank asked us, so here we go. We're going to put the thread first on the spindle holder, right here. And then there's a thread guide above the spindle holder. From back to front, you want to thread the thread. Down to the top of the machine and the first thread guide. From back to front, top loop, wrap it around, back to front on the bottom hole as well. Down to the first hole above the first tension rod, around the center of the two discs, through the hole below it, to the thread guide beside the tension bar. Guide the thread around the tension disc, making sure the thread falls between the two discs. Wrap it up till you hear a click under the hook to the take-up lever. Down to the thread guide. And then there's another thread guide on the side of the machine and one right above the needle to hold the thread close to the needle in place. Then you're going to thread the needle from left to right. There's the machine. Let's do the bobbin now. Here's the bobbin, and here's the bobbin case. You want the bobbin clockwise into the case. You want to go push it down, go down the lever and around the tension. You want to make sure that there's some tension to it, and about 3 inches of thread would be good. Open up the side plate, pushing the bobbin case until it snaps. Close the side. Turn your wheel to the right, as you can see here, to let the needle go down and pick up the bottom thread. Now you have both threads. Let's do the bobbin. Let's thread the bobbin. It's a side threading device that we have here on the side of the machine. Some are on the side, some of them are on the top. She's going to pick a thread, bring it up to the spindle holder, change the thread by tying both threads together so she can just pull it through the guide of the tension disc right below. There's a hole and then it goes around the tension disc. She's wrapping it around the bobbin a few times and locking in place the bobbin to start the machine. She's starting the machine and now we're threading the bobbin. It should thread as long as it needs to and stop. If your machine does not have this capability, just stop it before it's too close. You also need to make sure that the needle is up and it is not threaded or it will jam the machine. And here is the Juki industrial machine. Thank you.